Have you ever thought about starting your own vegetable garden? Imagine having fresh produce at your fingertips, saving money, and indulging in a rewarding hobby. Gardening is more than just planting seeds. Stick around, and you will learn how to make this dream a reality. Your first step is finding the perfect spot for your garden. Look for a place bathed in sunlight, blessed with fertile soil, and near a water source. These are vital ingredients for a flourishing garden. Remember, a well-chosen location is key to a thriving vegetable garden. Now, it's time for the fun part, picking out your vegetables. Start with ones that are easy to grow, like tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Remember, choose vegetables that tickle your taste buds. Growing vegetables you love will make the process even more rewarding. With your location chosen and vegetables picked out, you're ready to prepare the soil and plant. Start by clearing out weeds and enriching the soil with compost. When planting, consider the seed depth and spacing guidelines specific to each vegetable. With your vegetables planted, you're well on your way to a bountiful harvest. A successful vegetable garden requires regular care. Watering is crucial. Generally, it's best to water deeply once a week, encouraging roots to grow down. Weeding is equally important, removing competition for nutrients and water. Keep an eye out for pests. They can quickly turn a thriving garden into a struggling one. Harvest when vegetables are ripe and at their peak for the best flavor. With consistent care, your vegetable garden will flourish. Starting a vegetable garden may seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well equipped to begin. To recap, remember to choose a sunny spot, select vegetables that you love, prepare your soil, and plant with care. Most importantly, maintain your garden regularly for a bountiful harvest. Gardening is a rewarding journey, and you've just taken the first steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.